Okay guys, this is what we're going to make today. DIY ruffle flip-flops, okay? So I'm going to show you guys how to make these, okay? So guys, we're going to get fabric. So I did two different fabric. I did a wider one up around here, and then I did a thinner one down here. So I'm going to show you guys how to make that. So this is one. This is the thinner one. I'm going to show you guys how to make this ruffles without using a ruffle foot. So let me turn it around, guys. Okay? Uh-oh. Jesus, I would knock the whole thread off. Gotta get the thread back up on there, guys. Gina, move. Move. Okay, let me get my thread back together. I knocked my whole spool down. And get it together. Okay, there we go. All right. So what we're going to do, guys, let me put it right there. Okay. So we're going to take the ruffles, okay, and we're going to take it, and I'm going to fold it over like this, guys. I'm not getting a good angle. Okay, let me move it like that. Okay. So I'm going to take the ruffles, guys, and fold it like that, right? And then when I get to the next ruffle, guys, you see, I'm folding it again. Get to the next ruffle. I'm folding it again. It's not picking up like I want it to. Okay, I'm going to try to do it from here. Get to the next ruffle, guys. Fold it again. Get to the next ruffle. If you guys see what I'm doing, fold it. Get to the next ruffle. I'm trying to do this with one hand holding and the other one from this angle because I don't think it's picking up. Fold it again and I'm feeding it under there. So I hope that you guys are picking that up. So I'm getting to the next ruffle and fold it, feed it under there, 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 and then back stitch. So this is what you'll wind up with, okay? All right, so now I'm going to show you how to put it on the shoe. So if you guys see, I cut the tongue part that go around the tongue to a thinner part, okay? So now I got the hot glue gun ready. And guys, try not to burn yourself, because I done burnt the skin off my leg already. Okay. So I'm going to take the hot glue. Oh, my glue fell out. I'm like, what was that? And do it right here, guys. Put it on there. Going all the way around. Okay. So once I got that going like all the way around, guys, I'm going to take this part and thread, line it up right there around the flip-flop and squeeze it. So I'm taking it, put it right there around the flip-flop part and squeeze it. So now I'm going to put a little bit over here. And guys, try not to burn yourself, because this hot glue ain't no joke. Okay, I'm going to use this. Push it into the glue. Okay. So, because you want that part to, let me cut these excess threads. You want that part to wrap around the toe part, okay? So once you get that part that's connected around the toe, and just squeeze it, guys, to make sure to adhere to the tongue. Okay. And try not to put too much glue where it oozes out the back. Okay. So now I'm going to take the glue and put it all down here, guys. Try not to put it on the end so when you press it down that it don't burn you, okay? Then we're going to take it and I don't want to get burnt. I don't want to get burnt. So, you guys see, I'm pressing it down to make it adhere to the tongue. Press it really good, guys. And then this little piece, I want it to wrap around because that's still like considered the tongue part. Okay. And push that down. I'm trying to be real mindful not to get burned. Okay. So once I got it all on there, then just press, guys, because you want to make sure it's on the shoe. Just press. Press. Okay. So then what I want to do, now I want to cut the excess. So I'm going to cut it right here. Okay. So you see, I got the excess right there. So now what I'm going to do, guys, is take it and I'm going to put the glue on this side. Okay. And then I'm going to fold that over. Yep. Fold that over just like that. You guys see? Okay, so it's like that. Put another piece of glue in there because it's getting low. Okay, so now what we're about to do is add the other part. So I line it up right here, guys, to this part of the shoe. Take it all the way to the end of your flip-flop. It'll depend on how your flip-flops is designed. And then, guys, you can make these ruffles to be pink, blue, green, whatever. And if you guys don't like the color of the flip-flops and the sole, remember, y'all can spray paint these. Y'all can change the color as well. So now I take it and I take the back part of it, the inward, because I want that part to go inward, the little flat part, and then I push it to the end of the shoe, guys, and press down. Press that down. Okay. So now we're just gonna take it and we're gonna make it go all the way across like that. Okay. So now I'm gonna put the glue throughout. I'm trying to, guys, I thought I was still recording, and what wound up happening is that I had to delete other videos. I ran out of space. So if you guys can see, I'm just continuously going around. And I'm almost at this side, guys. So now, and I am putting the glue on this buckle, because we don't have to use the buckle to get in the shoe. So now just finish and close it off. Okay, so now when you guys are doing this, don't pull and make your shoe smaller. Leave the width of your flip-flop, because you still got to be able to get your foot in there. Don't, when you do this, guys, make this piece and you overlap it and you pull in the shoe and make the shoe smaller. Well, now you can't get your foot in. So you still got to leave it the width that it is. So now what I'm doing is just pressing to make sure that the glue is adhering to the flip-flop. So the last step, guys, I will put them on and show you guys what they look like on. Alrighty, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Bye-bye. Hey guys, this is what the flip-flops look like. And remember, guys, you can do it in all color. I just decided black, and I kept the chains on the back. I just decided black because I feel like black is forgiving and you can get away with everything. But this is what they look like. So remember, guys, you can do it in pink. You can do it in white. You can do it in red. So any flip-flops that you guys like. And if the flip-flops doesn't have this thing around it, guys, you can create that and just use some Velcro. Like if you guys got the standard flip-flops that go this way, and you can take it across, and then you can still make this part, but then just use Velcro to attach it in the back, or ruffle so much of it and then tie it in the back. So thank you guys for watching my ruffle flip-flops. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, these are a couple still shot of these ruffle flip-flops. Remember, guys, you can make them in pink, white, blue, green, purple, yellow, whatever color you desire, you can make it. So I hope this was a cool project, and I hope you guys give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and like, and more videos to come. Happy sewing. Bye-bye.